child may cause malnourished because of illness in combination with inadequate food intake. Insufficient access of food, poor health service, lack of safe water intake, and maternal care are underlying causes. If a child is not eating or getting enough calories and proper nutrients, it may cause trouble ahead. Malnutrition weakens immune system, opens the door for infection and delay healing.
Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is one of the most effective ways to ensure child health and survival. However, nearly 2 out of 3 infants are not breastfed for the recommended 6 months, a rate that has not improved in 2 decades. Breastfeeding decreases the risk of respiratory tract infection, asthma, food allergies, diarrhea, and type 1 diabetes. Breastfeeding improves cognitive development and decreases the risk of obesity in adulthood.
Artificial feeding. The no milk can be a real substitute for mother's milk. Sometimes it is necessary to feed the child through artificial. Artificial feeding is necessary when the mother is not in the state to feed her child. Cow's milk is diluted to provide the concentration of protein similar to that of mother's milk. The dilution of milk has the advantage of creating calcium concentration similar to that of mother's milk, but it decreases calories. Sucrose can be added to increase calories. 2 months infants take 120 ml of formula and it may increase 30 ml for every month. Formula feeded babies should take 3 hours interval because the cow's milk remains in their stomach for a longer time.
Importance of breast milk. Breast milk is the safest, ideal and healthiest food for a baby. It is easily digested and provides all the energy and nutrients that the infant needs during the first months of life, and it provides up to half or more than the child's nutritional needs during the second half of the first year and up to 1/3 during second year of life. It contains antibodies which help protect against many common childhood illness. Babies who have breastfed will have better mental development and emotional security. They also have better jaw and tooth development and strong immune system. It resists baby's thirst. It helps in the development of eyes, brain and other body systems. It helps babies to resist infection and diseases even in later life. It reduces the risk of obesity in childhood and later in life. It contains range of factors that protect baby while their immune system is still developing.
Globally, in 2019, 144 million children under 5 were estimated to be stunned. 47 million were estimated to be wasted. 38.3 million were overweight or obese. Weaning. Weaning is the process by which a baby slowly gets used to eating family or adult food that relies less and less on breast milk. The process varies from culture to culture and is often regulated by the child's individual needs. A child of weaning age has small stomach but needs a plenty of the food for the growth and activity. A baby needs a small amount of food at first, feed often and according to the baby's ability to chew and digest. Prepare nutrition mix using food of good quality. Feed food that are high in energy and concentrate in nutrients. The smaller the child, the more often he or she need to be fed. When a baby is about 4 to 6 months old, the mouth started to become ready to accept non-liquid food. Teeth begin to appear and the tongue no longer automatically pushes the solid food out of the mouth. The stomach also begins to digest starch matter. On another hand, after 4 to 6 months of the age, children are growing too big to thrive on a breast milk alone. For this reason, great care need to be taken in deciding what food to give to the baby and when and how to give these foods. Milestone moment. Learning through play. Give your child unbreakable plastic mirror attached to the inside of the bed or handheld mirror at 6 months of the age. Let your child play with the toys in different size, shape and colors that can be stocked. Encourage the child to play with the blocks and shapes. Babies play and learn by exploring and anchoring objects at home. Avoid any sharp objects. What most babies do at this age? Roll over or turn over in the both direction. Grab a toy by using all the finger. Locate the source of sound. Look for the toy that have been hidden in front of them. Response to the name being called. May be afraid of the stranger. Put the thing in the mouth. Sit without support and reach for the toy without falling. Say mama and dada and exclamation like hoo-ha. Key behavior. Breastfeeding until 2 years. First food or intend to be tasted. Increase the variety of the food as the child gets older. Interact with the child during feeding. Ensure the good hygiene and safe food preparation. The risk of iron deficiency anemia is very high between 6 to 12 months. Anemia is the problem in which the body does not have enough healthy red blood cells. Iron helps to make a red blood cells, so the lack of iron in the body may lead to anemia. Causes. A diet that does not have enough iron is the most common causes. During the period of rapid growth, even more iron is needed. Iron deficiency anemia most commonly affects a baby 9 to 24 months old. Cow milk leads to anemia in infant because it has a less iron content. A small amount of the blood loss from the intestine makes it harder for the body to absorb the iron.